Okay, guys, we are back in the building, and we're gonna go with part 2 of that match tax chrome. But first, let's go through the last hits. We got a Marco Parolo gold, numbered to 25. We got a Son Heung-min, which was numbered to 150, a blue one. Then we also got a green one that was numbered to 99. And then a Rising Star, Ansu Fati, numbered 299. Let's see if we can refocus that, yo. There you go. Beautiful card, beautiful. And then we got a few base cards like Ronaldo, João Felix, the protege, and Haaland, and that legend Xavi. But yo, let's see if we can summon that auto. Let's get it. Let's leave them there. Let's go with that TOPPS Pro. Let's get it. Okay, we kick it off with Lorenzo Insigne for Napoli. We got a legend, Del Piero, yo. My favorite player ever. My favorite, yo. Let's go. 90 appearances, 1 Champions League trophy. Then we got Wilfred Ndidi, great Nigerian midfielder, and we got a purple again. We got a purple, and it is for Man U, and it is Paul Pogba. Nice. That is 242 out of 299. Nice flow, yo. Another numbered card. Let's go. So we'll quickly get them sleeved up, and then we'll continue to flow. Okay, from that pack, 2 nice hits. Let's go. Let's drop him here, and we'll go for the next pack, yo. Let's get it. We start off with Giovanni Reina for Dortmund. Then we got Eden Hazard, Real Madrid. Antoine Griezmann for Barca. And we got a Ricardo Pereira, the Leicester right back, in a... I think this is X-Factor, just like they have in the WWE Chrome. But yo, let's just continue. I'll sleeve them up in a minute. I need to hide the back of these. No one to see the banger straight away, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But we start off with Real Albiol, ex-Real Madrid defender for Villarreal now. Sergio Aguero, the Man City legend. Alexander Lacazette for Arsenal, and a gold Raphael Varane. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go. Number 46 of 50. Let's go with that Real Madrid flow. Let's go, go, go. Let's get that sleeved up right away. Raphael Varane, gold. But yo, we want something a lot more limited than that. We need something bigger. Let's just keep going. I'm just going to sleeve up the top hits. Let's go. Okay, we start off with a Thiago Silva soup signing. Hat-trick hero Mbappe, the chrome version. You know we already got this in the match tax. We'll have to get that sleeved up. Super signing Van der Beek and Amaro Icardi X-Fractor parallel. Or maybe that's just a refractor parallel. I don't know. Well, I think we'll know if once we get through the rest of the box. But yeah, we got an Mbappe, yo. He's definitely going to stay there. Let's have a little drink. Let's go. This pack and 4 more, and then we're done. Then we'll have to see what happens after that. Let's just go. We start off with the best player in the world right now. Best striker anyway. Robert Lewandowski. Let's go. Then we got Marcelo. Oh, I think I see blue. We got Sergio Busquets, the midfield maestro for Barca. And the blue, it is Sadio Mane. Blue refractor, numbered to 150. The 13th card made to 150. Let's go. Liverpool flow. Okay. So we got 4 packs left. 4 packs left to try and get the autograph flow, yo. How many numbered parallels we got? We got 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbered cards out of this box so far. That is great. But let's get some more. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay. Oh. We got Hakimi from Borussia Dortmund to Inter Milan. Super signing. Then we got Eric Garcia for Man City. We got Saul Niguez, great midfielder for Atletico. And we got a star player, X-Factor, Benzema. But yo, we need to go with one more. We got 3 packs left now. Come on. Give me something with someone's handwriting on there. Give me something big. Give me that big boy flow. Okay, yo. We start off with Jankst. I think that's how you say it. We got Neymar. Star player Neymar Jr. We got something. Oh, we got that Mason Greenwood, yo. Rising Star Flow in that chrome version. And the last card, it is blue. No, it is purple. And it is Kieran Trippier, purple, yo, for Atletico. So, yo, that is numbered 241 of 299. So that's the 8th numbered card in this box, yo. 8th numbered card. Let's go. 2 packs left as well. So we'll sleeve up that Mason Greenwood as well, because you know he's on fire. Pure flibbity fire. Here's that Mason Greenwood. 2 packs left. Let's get it. This pack feels a bit on the PHAT side, kind of. Yo, we got star player Dimitri Payet. We got that Maxime Gonalons. I think he used to play for Marseille, maybe. No, Lyon. We got Pepe. I didn't even know he's gone to Porto now. And the last card, Marco Parolo, the X-Factor version. We already got a gold version of this. But nice. Well, yo. We've opened 17 packs. There's only 1 left. Can we get that autograph? Better yet, can we get something numbered lower than 25? Let's see what happens, yo. Let's see if we can get that big boy dough. And the last pack magic. Handanovic for Inter. Alessio Romagnoli for AC. Serge Gnabry. And the last card, Dani Olmo for Leipzig X-Factor. Okay, so from that box, let's put these to the side. We got We got hella cards, yo. Okay. From that box, we got Paul Pogba purple, number 299. Kieran Trippier, number 299. Trippier. A gold Rafael Varane, number 25. No, number 50. 46 to 50. Hang on. Oh, okay. Yes, that's gold. And the Parolo must be orange then, because it's number 25 as well. Well, okay. And we got Sadio Mane, number to 150. 13 of 150, blue. Ansu Fati, Rising Star, purple. Numbered 299. And we got two Suns, blue and green. And they are numbered to 150 and 99. Okay, so that's that for the TOPPS Chrome match tax flow. I think we might, I don't know, we might get another box of the normal match tax. And maybe, just maybe, we might get another TOPPS Chrome box. But next, we're going to finish up the year with this blaster box of WWE TOPPS Chrome. And then we will return in the new year. But until then, let's go with a bad boy flow.